Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Mother's Day gift guide. Everything on this list are things I'm obsessed with. Most you can get from Amazon, which is great in case you're shopping last minute or if you're seeing this video a couple days before Mother's Day, don't worry, I got you. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kathleen Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach, and on this channel and on my Instagram, I really want to show everyone how easy weight loss can be and how reprogramming your mindset to be aligned with your goal weight is necessary for success. So if any of that interests you, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. But today we are definitely just going to be focusing on women's gifts. So the first thing I want to start off with are the Caraway pots and pans set and the Caraway bakeware set that I own. I also own the food storage system. I've been working with this company for years now and I absolutely love the quality. I love the color options you can get. I just love the fact that they are non-stick and they are safe for my family. For years I was buying pots and pans like left and right because the coating would start coming off of the pans. I don't even want to think about what is in that chemical wise, but Caraway, I don't have that problem. Everything is still non-stick years later. The bakeware is phenomenal. You want to bake cookies and not have to worry about them sticking to the tray. This is the set that you need, and I know any woman who needs an upgrade for pots and pans, food storage, or their bakeware will absolutely love this set. And like I said, there's so many different colors to choose from that it will fit anyone's aesthetic. Definitely check out their website. They've got a ton of stuff on there now. They even have some kitchen utensils now. They're just phenomenal and definitely worth checking out. There's all different price points on there, and I do believe I still have a discount code. All of this information will be linked down in the description box. So while you're watching this video, watch through, get some ideas, and then at the end of the video, check the description box for all of the links that you're gonna need to purchase or get the details for. So what mom wouldn't absolutely love like new kitchen pots and pans? Like that is a surefire winner. And the second thing is also going to be a surefire winner as well. My favorite sneakers. So they're not brand new. I wear these all the time, but I only wear them in my house. So I don't wear these out of the house. That's why they're pretty white still after a couple of years having these. But for walking and for working out, I absolutely love the Skechers sneakers, especially these because they have a nice little platform and it makes you feel like you're walking on a cloud. I get a lot of steps. I get over 10,000 steps a day. I'm always on my treadmill. So I feel like you need a good walking shoe that's not only going to support you, but that is meant for walking and meant for getting the steps. We don't want to injure ourselves because then we can't get more steps. So a good sneaker is definitely very important. These are true to size. I usually wear an 8 and I bought an 8. They feel like you're on a cloud and they are the lightest sneaker ever. They feel like you're holding a feather. What mom wouldn't love a beautiful new pair of walking sneakers? Get you motivated. And I got the white ones, but these come in a variety of colors, a variety of patterns and designs. There's so many, and you can get these on Amazon. So it's always good when you can get them quickly, especially if you're a Prime member, but then also have a bunch of different designs that can fit anybody's personality. And next on the list, why not give mom the gift of hydration for Mother's Day? So this video is actually sponsored by Element. These are single serve electrolyte mix packets. The science-backed electrolyte ratio is inside every single packet. It's already done for you. You get sodium, magnesium, and potassium. This is the winner for hydration. So if your mom or your wife or the mom in your life is anything like me, I was feeling so fatigued in the afternoon. I was feeling blah. I was getting headaches. I was getting Charlie horses at night. Meanwhile, guys, this is right next to me at all times. I drink so much water throughout the day, but I was still having these nasty dehydration symptoms. Turns out, once I introduced Element into my life, it all made sense. I just had an electrolyte deficiency. So once I incorporated one of these into my day every day, the world got better. The fatigue went away, the headaches went away. I stopped getting Charlie horses and I slept through the night. It was amazing. So whether you're a busy mom or you're a professional athlete, we all need to replenish our electrolytes. So Element makes it so easy. Like I said, single serve packets, take these on the go with you. I always have these in my purse. All you need to do is take one packet, mix it with some water, dilute it to your liking, drink it, get hydrated. And the best part is, if you guys were looking to pick this up for mom, anybody who orders with my link gets a free Element sample pack. So in here is 8 of their most popular flavors right now, and you can get this with every single order. It doesn't matter if you ordered before or if this is your first order, grab my free sample pack every single time. All you need to do is go to drinkelement.com/heart. I'll put it right on screen and in the description box as well. So it's drinklmnt.com/heart, H-A-R-T. Grab your free sample pack, hydrate yourself, and hydrate mom too. Thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. Us moms, we gotta stay hydrated. We gotta be the best version of ourselves at all times. So that's why I love Element. The next thing on my list, this one might be a little bit of a splurge. However, I would pay this over and over again only because I use my treadmill every single day. The best part is it is a treadmill / walking pad. So you can roll this around. It does work on carpet. I get that question all the time, and it comes in a couple of different colors. It would honestly be the perfect Mother's Day gift, especially if you have someone in your life who wants to get more steps, wants to be more active, but they're finding it difficult. I'm telling you, once I got this treadmill, and I keep looking over here because I see it. It's right there. It's right in my dining room. So I can jump on it at any point in time during the day. I jump on it for 10 minutes. I jump on it for 5 minutes. I'm waiting for my son to get off the bus. I see him through the window. I jump on the treadmill for a couple minutes. And then when he gets off the bus, I run out and go get him. It's awesome for getting more steps. And I can honestly say I've been nailing my step goal lately because I've been prioritizing that walk. And the treadmill is in my first floor, and I roll it around. I put it in my office, roll it into the dining room, put it in front of the TV in the living room. It works on carpet, like I said, so it's perfection. It can roll under a bed, it can go underneath a desk, so you can walk and get some work done. I did a dedicated video in case you want to learn more about this specific treadmill. I'll link that video down below too, but this is an Amazon find. So from the US, you could potentially get this in 2 days. It's amazing, and there's no setup. Another thing that's good. If you're anything like me and you don't know how to use a screwdriver, this is perfect. I didn't even need to ask my husband for help. So highly recommend this treadmill. I honestly cannot say enough good things about it. And if you follow me on Instagram, you literally see me in stories every day walking on that thing. Okay, that feels like a good combo. Treadmill, shoes, some electrolytes. Like, we're putting together a very good Mother's Day right now. If I was your mom, I would be extremely happy right now. So what's something else that we could do for self-care? I brought this out from my bathroom because this Revlon spin brush, I've been using this for years now, and it works just as good as it did on day one. Sorry if there's hair in it. I literally use this anytime I straighten my hair. So my hair is short, but I also, when my hair was long, I used this as well. It's perfection for achieving that blowout look at home. And if any men are watching this, it just means you can straighten your hair and do it very fancy at home without going to a salon. This is worth every single penny. It comes in pink as well, I believe, and you can get this on Amazon too. You guys, these are winners in my book. So instead of having to go to the salon to get a blowout or going to Dry Bar, this thing's phenomenal, and you can really get good volume too. So let's talk about fit trackers. If you guys have been here for a couple years, I used to have a Fitbit, loved my Fitbit, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second, because the Apple Watch and the Fitbit are just, they're both great depending on what you like. I don't own a Samsung phone, but I'm sure the Samsung Watch is just as good. I love my Apple Watch, absolutely. I just upgraded it after, I think I had like the first or second series, and I just upgraded it recently. It works so much better, I love it. So glad I did that, but my Apple Watch and my Fitbit are just amazing for keeping me on track to tackle my daily goals. It will track all of your fitness. So it will track your workout, it will track how many times you are standing during your day. It'll also track your exercise minutes as well as your steps. So the Apple Watch is great because it works by GPS. So even if you're walking through Target or the grocery store holding onto a cart, it will still track your steps because it knows you're moving throughout the store. I love it. And closing the rings is very similar to on the Fitbit, like getting it to buzz and getting all of your bars filled up. For some reason, psychologically, it motivates me, and I absolutely love it. And I love being able to keep track of all of my fitness information in one place. So I would definitely check with your phone provider and see if they've got any discounts, especially for Mother's Day. You never know. Really quick, I want to throw in what I'm asking for Mother's Day this year. So I am putting it out into the universe that I really would like a Kindle. And I love reading. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I love reading. I'm always reading on my treadmill. I love reading books, just sitting outside in the sun. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. So to me, that's like my form of self-care, my favorite thing to do. So I was thinking, why not grab a Kindle so that during the summer when I'm outside, I can actually see it. It's a little bit better than my phone, which is where I'm currently reading books. So in digital books. So instead, why not grab a Kindle? And they have really pretty colors now. They have so many different options. Again, you can get this all on Amazon. So it's just perfection. And if any of you guys have a Kindle, let me know down in the comments which one you recommend, because like I said, I'm throwing the vibes out there. Let's see, we'll see what happens. The next thing is gonna be titled Cozy Comfort. Because what woman doesn't love to be cozy and comfortable? And to me, what does that mean? And something that I will wear all year round, comfortable slippers and comfortable socks. So it doesn't matter what temperature it is outside. At night, I love to throw on a cozy pair of slippers or a cozy pair of socks. And I feel like I have found the two most perfect versions of each one. So these are the socks from Heat Holders. Heat Holders are amazing. I found them a couple of years ago. I don't even know how, but I did. And they're amazing. I continue to buy the socks because they are so warm. The inside is so insulated and so comfortable and so warm. I love them. And they come in a variety of colors. There's so many colors. There's also so many styles. I like these really big, chunky, thick knit ones. They're just so cozy and they really keep you insulated and warm. But these are probably the warmest ones, if not the warmest, one step below it. But they have ones that are even lower down the list, so that are a little bit less insulated for summer. So definitely, I'll link their website, I'll link everything down below, but check them out. They have so many different options, so many different styles and colors and patterns. I just love them and I highly recommend this brand. So like I said, these are all things that I really love and I would love to get these things as a gift. So that's why I'm adding them into this list. Slippers, you can't go wrong with Uggs. I wear these every single day of my life. I just got these not too long ago and they're so worn in because I wear them all the time. I prefer to buy these on Amazon because the shipping is fast, the returns are easy if you need to, and it's the exact same product that you would be getting at one of the higher end retail stores. So when I get these though, I get a size down. So I'm usually a size 8. I buy these slippers in a size 7 because they do stretch out. When you wear them, they stretch out. So I think that sizing down is probably a good idea for me, but both options are great for that cozy comfort feeling. If anybody bought me slippers, yes, thank you. I would never turn down a new slipper, that's for sure. Okay, in this section I'm titling Kitchen Gadgets, and it's everything that I have behind me. I'm going to briefly talk about them one by one, but this category is awesome. Look around the kitchen of the woman you're buying for. What needs an upgrade? What could make her life easier? And all different price points. Again, Amazon finds. These are so awesome, and let's get into what's behind me. So the first thing is this fast boil kettle. If you make a lot of ramen, if you make a lot of tea, if you make anything that needs boiling water quickly, this is the gadget that you need. This is just so beautiful. It comes with its own hot plate. You just plug it in the wall, fill it with the amount of water that you need. There's a cup measure on the inside, so you can easily figure out how much you need to boil. And it's simple. Close it up, push the button down, and wait about 2 minutes at the most for the water to boil up. And then you are good to go. This is one of those gifts that just makes your life easier, and I love using this. This is permanently in my kitchen right underneath the cabinet right there because we make tea most nights, and it's just nice. And if your kids like hot chocolate, it's just so good to be able to boil the water quickly. Next are my utensils. I love these. I've got these on Amazon a while ago. I wasn't expecting them to last the way that they did, especially being white. So highly recommend this. You get the container and you get all of the utensils inside. They come in so many colors. Again, Caraway pans, new set of utensils, bada bing, bada boom. Happy Mother's Day. See how easy this can be? I really hope I'm helping you take the guesswork out of shopping for mom this year with just things that I love and use all the time. Next, bagel cutter. You're probably thinking, why did you need a bagel cutter? Well, I do buy low carb bagels. I get them from Royo. So those are some of my favorite bagels ever, but my husband's not low carb. So we do have bagels occasionally. My daughter loves bagels. So this thing is really cool. You put the bagel in, and you cut it. It's like the bagel guillotine, something that you need to cut in half. This is it. And it's just easy. It's one of those fun gadgets that's not too expensive, that's just fun. So again, if you eat a lot of bagels, grab this. It's perfection. It just makes your life that much easier. And it's safer than cutting a bagel into your hand. You don't wanna do that. So these things actually I got on Amazon because my husband wanted me to make homemade biscuits, which are so much easier to make than I ever thought they would be. But I got a little cute biscuit cutter. It actually has a hole too in case you wanna make donuts with it, but this is perfection. And then I also got a little pastry cutter so you can cut the butter into your flour. So these are perfect. But again, it's just something little and fun that like I wanted to make biscuits and now we're doing it. So these gadgets make your life so much easier and they're like under 10 bucks. So you can't go wrong with that either. Ease. I want everything in my life to be as easy as possible and everything in this list just literally does that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day. If you are a mom, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. I hope you have the best day ever and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.